Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Google AdSense. In this lecture, we are going to see how to approve Google AdSense account in 2018 and get a 5 complete video lectures on Google AdSense. So this is the website downloadfreetutorials.us, and here I have posted my case study on Google AdSense, and you can check out this article so that you can get a lot of auto stuff, and you can see a lot of written articles on this, how you can approve your AdSense account and how to bring a traffic and how to build backlinks and do good communication with the bloggers, etc. And these are now the 5 courses which includes Google AdSense for business and beginners, and this is the AdSense basics and master, and this is the Linda course, that is pretty nice course, and the last one is a PDF file that will let you know the mastery of Google AdSense and how to earn from this. Now basically, to approve the Google AdSense account, you need to have the 4 or 3 required pages on your website so that you can get your approval very easy. Now the first is that you must write 35 plus articles with over 500 plus words, and you must remember this, that this should not be a plagiarized content. It means you must not copy paste the articles. You have the option to read some other bloggers articles and write them in your own words, but you cannot copy paste them. And now the second option is that you can see the contact us page and right here terms of use, then privacy policy, disclaimer. These pages are really important to get Google AdSense approval. Now let me take you to the contact page, which is this, and it is very easy. You just need to install the plugin which is called contact form generator and then upload that to your WP theme. And now the second page, that is terms of use, you can just copy paste all the term and use page of download free tutorials and copy into your website, but you must remember that you must change the URL to your blog, and this is the very long article. You just need to copy paste because this is the law and this cannot be changed in your own words. And the second one is privacy policy, which you can generate online from privacypolicy.com. You just need to log in here and just click on the login button right here. If you don't have an account, you need to create one, and this is a create policy. You just need to type your website address and what your website is called. You have 3 things to do, and it is just for free. You need not to pay or do anything else. Now the last page is disclaimer, and you can generate this as well from a disclaimergenerator.net. You just need to put your company website, something like this, and click on the next button. So it will ask you the stuff here, and just put your information here and generate my disclaimer. It will give you the disclaimer page, and you can download and copy paste from here to your website, and this is very easy. You can do both of them very easily, but the page that is term of use, you can copy paste them. Now these 4 pages are really important. You must publish them in your blog or website to get your approval, and secondly, you must read the article which is written on Google AdSense with over 5 complete courses that will help you engage more users and will help you get a good traffic and earn good source of income from Google AdSense. If you like this, do share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.